Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to fix ZArchiver access is denied problem. So maybe you are trying to open a folder in your ZArchiver app and it's showing something like access denied on your screen. I've fixed mine and I'm about to show you guys how to fix yours as well. So first, all you need to do is to go to your settings. If you don't have the ZArchiver app, it's very simple. You can go to your Play Store or your App Store and download and install ZArchiver. So let me show you guys how to get the ZArchiver on your device. First, you need to go to your Play Store and search for ZArchiver. Okay. Search for ZArchiver. You're going to be seeing something like this and install it. Then click on open. So once you open, you're going to be seeing something like this on your screen. You need to leave the ZArchiver and go to your settings. Go to your phone setting, okay? On your phone setting here, you need to scroll down to you get to apps or app management, depending on your device, okay? I'm going to be clicking on my app management and click on app list. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, this is the apps on my device. After it has loaded all, I'm going to be clicking on the search button and search for file. Okay. So for the file here, you're going to be seeing those files. Click on those files here. You're going to be clicking on the three line button at the top right corner of your screen and click on uninstall updates. Okay. Click on OK. So it is uninstalling the files. But you are going to be scrolling down and you see the storage and cache. You're going to be cleaning up the storage and cache as well. After that, you are going to be go and click on File Manager. On your File Manager, you are going to be clicking on the app so you're going to be clearing the cache. Okay? And clearing the storage as well. After that, you are going to be clicking on the you can still go ahead and click on the uninstall updates. After that, you are going to clicking on you're going to be back. Okay, you're going to search for your ZArchiver on your files. Okay, yeah, you're searching for ZArchiver. Okay. Notice here you are going to be clicking on the storage and cache. Clear the storage and clear the cache as well. Okay. After that, you're also going to be clicking on the bottom here. You are going to be seeing force stop. Okay. Click on force stop the app. Okay. After that, you are going to be clearing. Minimize and clear every app you have entered. Then after that, you are going to be opening the ZArchiver again. So you are going to be seeing something like this after you have done all that. Click on OK. Then now you can now go ahead and click on any folder to see if it's going to open up. As you can see here, it's showing folder empty, which means it has been fixed. So that is it on how to fix ZArchiver access denied problem. So if you found this video helpful, because I've come to the very end of this video, please do have to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section if you are still having any problem with this video or ZArchiver. See you guys in the next one. Bye.